Now back to the Evening Edge with Todd Halst on 1290 at 95.7 WHIO.
From a psychological standpoint, the radio station represents a link to normalcy.
The Evening Edge with Todd Holst.
Call Todd now, 937-457-1290, or message him at Evening Edge Todd.
Locally grown, seriously funny on WHIO.
Back here on the Evening Edge, Monday through Friday, 5 to 7. If I sound a little off today, here's why. This morning, I was going to take a shower, turned on the shower, stood there, waited for it to get warm, kept waiting, waited a little more. No hot water. I guess our hot water heater died overnight. So let me just tell you, my shower this morning was super quick. Holy cow. 937-457-1290. Maybe Ron will let me come over to his house and take a hot shower. No, he says. No. Are you saying no?
I don't know if you could afford it, Todd.
You would charge me to come take a hot shower at your house?
A nominal fee.
What if I brought like a pizza or something?
Water's expensive, dude.
I understand, but what if I brought you something like a pizza or
dinner? Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You get just about anything. You brought food to the house.
Now, if I bring dessert, will you loofah my back?
It'd have to be an incredibly good dessert.
Well,
What am I listening to now?
What is this?
The Evening Edge with Todd Holst.
It's a radio show. It's entertainment.
Fill it up.
Double D.
Double L.
S-T. I can remember that.
Locally grown, seriously funny
I'm puzzled by the whole thing.
on WHIO.